Ranking the best sound effect pranks.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Iron Man.
She accidentally turned the sound up too loud.
Dude, what the heck are you watching?
He almost got caught. They really did him dirty. This is how he felt.
Ah!